It's a funny. It's a funny. See who's going to be on top, huh? They're both boys. Do you know that? You guys are both boys. See, Ishmael just wants love, Caden. He would preen you, kiss your cheeks. Yeah, rush in there. Think you got him? Nope. Nope, didn't get him. What's he doing? Wanna come here? Wanna come here? Come on. Step up. Step up. Caden, step up. Come on, big boy. What? You wanna go get Ishmael? You can't stand him, but now you're horny? You want your mirror, huh? You looking for your mirror? Are you looking for your mirror? Yeah, it's under the cloth, isn't it? That's your real boyfriend, isn't it? Your own image. There's a little mirror there. You gonna eat? What you doing, Ishmael? You wanna go down? What's Caden doing down there, huh? What's he doing? Yeah. What's he doing? He's eating. Whoops. That's the old food, isn't it? Yay! He's a pretty boy? Yeah, look at how pretty you are. Look at your crest sitting up there. Look at how pretty you are. Your crest is really pretty. Yeah. Wanna go pee-pee? Time for some new phrases, huh? Say pretty boy. Pretty boy. Say Caden. Caden. Wanna play? Wanna play games?